Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Philips HP8643x46 hair dryer and straightener. This is also called Miss Fresher's styling kit, as it's written over here. This is part of the Miss Fresher's Care series from Philips. Okay, and there's a photo of what this straightener is going to look like, and also the other components, which is basically a straightener as well. So there's a combo of a dryer and a straightener. There's some information on this box. It's written compact design, ergonomic, clever design, light and easy to handle, yet small enough to store anywhere. 2 flexible heat settings, careful drying with 2 different settings. 1000-watt powerful and compact 1000-watt motor comes with it. The straightener comes with Silk Pro Care, silky smooth plates and less heat exposure for beautifully straightened silky smooth hair. It also comes with ceramic plating, as you can see right over here. Straight results, 210 degrees centigrade styling temperature. This is the highest, and fast results, 60-second heat up time. That's more or less all the information, I think. Yeah, over here it's written it comes with 2 years of warranty. That's the only other information that I can gather from this box. Let's open it and show you what's inside. At the very top, we have a user manual from Philips. There you can go. This is the user manual for the HP8643, which is this particular combo. Everything that you need to know about this particular combo, you will find inside this particular document. So please read it at least once. And this is the rest of the combo. Let's take a look at the dryer first. This is the Miss Fresher's Care 1000-watt dryer. I have to connect it to show you the power exactly, but this is a pink variant. There are 2 speed settings here, and there is also a nozzle that comes with it. There you go, so you can put it like this and you're good to go. So this is a 1000-watt hair dryer. It's very compact and also super light. This is the hair straightener, the Miss Fresher's straight hair straightener. This is also a very compact hair straightener. It comes with a ceramic tile over here as well. This is what you find inside the box containing the Philips HP8643x46 hair dryer and straightener combo.